Preheat oven to 350 degree. Grease or line a 9 by 5 loaf pan. For the flax eggs, combine ground flax seeds and 6 tablespoons warm water in a small bowl. Stir and set aside to thicken. In a medium bowl, combine all dry ingredients like the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and stir to combine. In a large bowl, mash bananas using a fork or masher. Once you're done mashing the bananas, add melted coconut oil and sugar to bananas and stir together. And then add the flax eggs, coconut water, milk, and vanilla extract. Stir until combined. Add dry ingredients mixture to the wet ingredients and mix together until fully incorporated. Once done mixing, sprinkle or add the shredded coconut. And transfer into a loaf pan. Bake in preheated oven for about 55 to 65 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the loaf comes out clean. Once it's cooked, allow loaf to fully cool before removing from pan and slicing. Once it's cool, cut into 8 slices and enjoy.